What do restoration contractors have in common? A desire to help people in their time of need. Restorers are often ready to help homeowners at a moment's notice and worry about the paperwork later. Important documents can be difficult to find, misplaced or incomplete, leaving your business vulnerable, and you risk not being fully paid for all the work you did. Encircle puts your forms right on your phone, easily accessible even without an internet connection. Work authorizations, certificates of completion, release of liabilities, disposal authorizations, assignment of benefits, change orders, you name it. Encircle creates a digital version of your paper forms, giving your teams access to them whether they're in the field or in the office. This way, the signatures and approvals that keep your business protected are easily captured wherever you are and accessible at all times, stored in one centralized location. Job details are automatically populated into your digital form. Selection lists, checklists, and other cool things improve consistency and save you time when filling in the form. You finally have the tool you need to ditch the folder full of paperwork for good. Encircle supports your digital transformation, making documentation simple and worry-free.